Welcome back. This video is going to go over some more concepts from our employment law. We're going to be talking about a very important human resource topic. Everyone cares about it. It's basically termination. Our topic is going to be contesting termination. The most common subtopics under contesting termination are going to be in regards to public policy exceptions. The first one, general concept, will be wrongful discharge. The next one we'll talk about will be constructive discharge. And finally, retaliatory discharge. These are just general topics. This is information, not advice. For specific advice, always talk to an attorney about your specific situation. But this is just to give you a better understanding on how to structure your complaint, your grievance, or whatever format you need to put your problem in that you're having with your termination from your place of employment. Okay, so public policy exceptions, as you probably already know, are exceptions to at-will employment. Basically, at-will employment gives employer the right to discontinue your position of employment, take away your power, terminate you. And the same is for employee. At-will employment gives an employee opportunity to just leave. Both have to give each other a reasonable notice. 2-week notice is usually what it is if you're going to be leaving. But these are the specific topics that give you the exceptions to at-will employment. Wrongful discharge is when you are discharged for an incorrect or wrong reason, an illegal reason. This could include basically being harassed, being bullied. Wrongful discharge is if somebody lied on you, slander, anything that is out of your control but unethical and usually illegal. Constructive discharge specifically is when you aren't terminated immediately, but you are usually bullied or forced to quit. When they force you to quit, this basically relieves them of having to pay you unemployment. Most people don't know their specifications, and this could be covered under Title VII, the ADA, various reasons on why somebody would bully you into quitting your job, the ramifications of it, and an overall hostile work environment. Okay, so the last one would be retaliatory discharge. Okay, this is common for people that get caught up in whistleblower situations. You see something illegal, you're a witness to something, you get involved in a lawsuit, you think you're doing the ethical thing, and you basically put somebody that has a position of power in a bad situation, and they retaliate against you. There's a saying out here, snitches get stitches. Now, I don't support that. I basically feel like if you see something wrong, especially in a workplace where everyone's trying to make their money and better themselves, everyone should have a shot. So I think there's an ethical obligation, and I don't agree with the snitches get stitches mantra. Okay, so these are the 3 main topics, public policy exceptions. If you've experienced any of these or have been wrongfully terminated from your job, position, employment, it would most likely fall under one of these main categories, and you would have to explain to your specific attorney or legal counsel what happened and which ones you feel like you fell under. All right, again, this is just information. For any specific advice, please seek an employment attorney and legal counsel.